want to let trust. Now, you want to let trust. You and you come here. Who? They mention name, make I hear.
Who and me? Mary.
Say, Lily. Hi.
Hello, John.
Come. Yeah, enter my camera. What's your problem?
I see this guy. I didn't pursue this guy.
We saw you when you were coming in. We saw the bit of security presence striking with the private background. But here now, I'm also saying that they allow you to. What's happening?
Well, you know, I don't even know where to start because you see, whoever you see here has been invited for this BOT meeting. This BOT meeting. And we are all invited to come and attend this BOT meeting. And as of this time now, nobody gave me any instruction, any notice from anywhere that this meeting is not holding. And I came here with confidence to enter this place. And I'm surprised. The policeman stopped me and said there's no meeting. Why? He said there is an order from the top. He cannot answer that question. So I don't know really.
Did they show the person when they say order from the top? Is he the IG?
I don't know. Is the DPO there? He's him there. He's the one who stopped me and said, when I asked him, okay, as far as I'm concerned, this meeting has been scheduled for now. And if you say there is no meeting, why? He said he could not answer that question. Why can't you answer it? You say from the top. The top, I don't know which top. So for me, I can only give you an answer, a political answer. But security answer, you see the DPO. That's the only thing I can tell you.
But I understand before now that the BOT meeting was to precede the expanded caucus.
Yes.
Will the expanded caucus also hold since they are deprived?
Well, since they have stopped the BOT, then I don't know. That's why I said I can only give you answer based on political question. But whatever is going to be security questions that stopped this meeting, I cannot answer that. So I think the DPO is there waiting. So if you finish here, you can go and ask him and he will be able to tell you. But certainly for me, I came for this meeting. I'm a repented member of the PDP. And where the PDP called me for a meeting, I will go. And I'm here for it.
Thank you so much. Your name, sir?
My name is Senator Umar Ibrahim Sauli, the immediate past national secretary of the PDP. Thank you.
Damn it.
Stop. Wait now. We are not what we met members from coming into the secretariat, telling them that there is no meeting.
Sorry, they were stopping who?
BOT members from entering. My only offense is that I said there is meeting of BOT. That's my only offense. I've not said anything more than that before they started insulting me and bungling me out of the office. I'm a staff of the National Secretariat of the PDP. This kind of thing cannot continue. One man cannot hold the whole country to ransom. We are holding our meeting here today. They should open the place for us to hold our meeting. That's all. One man cannot hold this country to ransom. What is our offense as a party?
Who is that man?
My name is Ibu Thomas.
Who is that man that's holding?
Inyeson Wike is the man.
By that everybody come out here now, we'll not be able to see you guys back. Don't try.
The BOT member wanted to take time.
They are going inside. Give me your camera, let me go and capture it for them.
I know you take that BOT member.
What the cow there now?
Please.
My sugar daddy.
Huh? No, my sugar daddy. See.
And you're taking money from me, you're taking from him.
Damn it.
How old is it will happen. I mean, just come to the show. So, I don't know, you understand. Look, you see the second.
After I don't collect it,
Came, I told him to go and tell them.